Looking to upgrade your apartment with smart tech that doesn't compromise on style? Today, we're showcasing 5 aesthetic and innovative smart home gadgets that blend seamlessly into your decor while enhancing your living experience. Number 1. Nanoleaf Canvas Modular Lights. Transform your walls into interactive art with Nanoleaf Canvas. These modular LED panels can be arranged in various patterns, offering customizable colors and touch-responsive controls. Perfect for adding a dynamic and artistic flair to any room. Number 2. Native Union Dock Marquetry Wireless Charger. Say goodbye to generic chargers. The dock marquetry combines functionality with craftsmanship, featuring a hand-assembled design with leather accents. It wirelessly charges your devices while serving as a stylish desk accessory. Number 3. Glow Pair Urban Garden Self-Watering Planter. Bring greenery indoors effortlessly with the Glow Pair Urban Garden. This sleek planter features a self-watering system, ensuring your plants thrive with minimal maintenance. Its modern design complements any interior space. Number 4. Betty Glow Alarm Clock. Wake up gently with the Betty Glow. This multifunctional device simulates sunrise to ease you into the day, plays your favorite tunes via Bluetooth, and even includes a white noise generator for restful sleep, all housed in a minimalist design. Number 5. Vio Vezzo Bluetooth Mirror. Elevate your bathroom or vanity with the Vio Vezzo. This smart mirror features built-in LED lighting and Bluetooth speakers, allowing you to enjoy music or take calls while getting ready, all within a sleek and modern frame. These smart home gadgets prove that technology can be both functional and beautiful. Enhance your apartment's ambiance and convenience with these stylish innovations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite gadget in the comments below.